Welcome back to Energy, guys. Today I will be playing Gorilla Tag, and I kind of found a ghost. Tommy, whatever you do, don't hit me. You already pushed me once. Don't you point at me. Don't you. He pointed at, oh no, he pointed at me. He pointed on me, at me. Run for my life. Okay, I guess I'm staying here. Now I'm leaving. Hello. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go change into my original outfit. So 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm in my original outfit now, and on a different video, I'll be revealing it. So soon I'll be revealing it. My YouTuber friend was supposed to be in this lobby. He was supposed to record this video with me, but he didn't, so I'm rejoining. Okay, so I'm in, but he's not in here with me. So I think I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, try this again. I don't think he's in this lobby either. Let me leave. Let me go to city. Okay. Okay, mute everyone. Statues in the lobby. Okay, I guess I'm revealing it in this video. I will be revealing it in a separate video as well. So if you want to see it again so you can see it better, it's going to be in a different video. But yeah, statues in my game, I have no idea where he is. Don't remember where he was. So let's go this way. And let's go to a different lobby, I guess. Okay. GHT, why not? And I don't think there's any ghost in here. No. Let me mute everyone though. Okay. Okay, so let's go in here. Well, I don't know why let's go in here, but I meant let's mute everybody, which I already did. Okay, let me go to this map, canyons. See if there's any ghosts in here. Let me mute everybody first, though. Oh, spiders in. What the? I didn't know that. He's talking. It's not real. Okay. Well, let's go look around. See if we can find any ghosts that's not on the leaderboard. They're spied, I believe. Here, let me check. Yeah, that's spied. That's definitely not a ghost because he has cosmetics on. Okay. Rush. Okay, let me meet him. Let's see where he's at. What? Okay, that is very surprising. A ghost joined in out of nowhere, and I just waved to him. Okay, let me leave now. Go to this game. Or this, well, this map I meant. Join this random code, why not? I accidentally turned off one of my or no. I thought I turned on on one of my cosmetics, but I guess I didn't. Wait, death, isn't it? I just realized that. I barely realized that. Okay, let's go to a different map. That's not cool. Death is also in here too. And Fake Daisy 09. Okay, let's just go, I guess. Let's go up here. No, I want to go up. No. Okay, I'll just go up like this, I guess. And let's go to a different map. Never mind, I changed my mind. Okay. We're just gonna go down here. Then down here. Don't know why I'm going down here, even though I'm trying to go up. Okay, this is working out good, I think. I don't know. I don't think so, though. No. Well, that was a close one. Almost just fell all the ways. Let's go to a different map, I guess. I guess we're going to a different map. Oh, by the way, that X and circle right there that you barely saw, guys. Tomorrow I'll be recording a video on that because I believe that it's a new map or something, and I think it's coming out tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I'll make sure to check that out tomorrow. Fake air in this thing. Wow. So yeah. Just try to mute everybody, I guess. For literally no reason, because they can't even hear me, or can't even hear. You can't even hear them. They can't even hear me. I can't even hear them, and you guys can not even hear them. But just mute them. Okay. Let's go. I don't know what to do right now. Let me go up here. Just make sure there's no ghost down there. Let's go to code mystery. Oh, whoops. I think I actually did my name. Change my name. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Remember to do that. So